Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today. Moving into a lateral stretch variation, reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.